Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we are going to take a look at what I believe is the best treadmill for those looking for something affordable yet high quality, the Sunny Health and Fitness Manual Walking Treadmill. If you're on the hunt for a cheap yet effective treadmill that fits right into your home, apartment, or office, this is the one to consider. The first thing that stands out about this treadmill is its design. It's compact, lightweight, and foldable, making it the perfect option for those with limited space. Whether you're in a small apartment, a home office, or even a gym with tight corners, the foldable feature allows for easy storage, so you don't have to worry about it taking up valuable space. It's ideal for those who want to stay fit without committing to bulky, electrical machines. Another great feature is the manual operation. This treadmill is non-electric, which means no more worrying about plugging it into an outlet or dealing with complicated electrical maintenance. You simply use your own energy to power the treadmill, which not only saves electricity but also gives you a low-maintenance workout machine that's ready to go whenever you are. Whether you're power walking or light jogging, this treadmill supports it all. For those who love a good challenge, the fixed incline feature on this treadmill is a big win. It offers the perfect intensity for a good cardiovascular workout, helping you burn more calories while improving your overall fitness. The dual flywheel design also adds an extra layer of resistance, making your workout even more effective as you increase your speed and intensity. This treadmill is great for anyone who wants to step up their fitness game without spending hours at the gym. Tracking your progress is super easy with the user-friendly LCD monitor. It displays your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, so you can stay motivated throughout your workout. Keeping an eye on these metrics ensures you stay on track with your fitness goals. And with non-slip foam hand grips, you'll be able to maintain your balance and feel secure as you walk or jog. These hand grips provide extra comfort, especially during longer sessions, so you can focus solely on your workout. The quiet tread pad makes it possible to get in a good workout without disturbing others around you. Whether you're in a shared living space or need a quiet workout option for your home office, this treadmill runs smoothly and quietly. Plus, the non-slip running surface ensures you stay safe with each step, minimizing the risk of accidents during your workout. Lastly, if you need to move the treadmill around, its transportation wheels make it simple to relocate, whether you want to change up your workout spot or store it out of sight when it's not in use. This treadmill is designed to be versatile and convenient for all your fitness needs. So, if you're looking for the best treadmill that combines affordability, functionality, and a compact design, the Sunny Health and Fitness Manual Walking Treadmill is definitely worth considering. It offers everything you need for an effective and convenient workout at home, and with its sturdy construction and quiet operation, you can't go wrong. That wraps up our review for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more reviews on the best products available. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.